Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the DiDi application on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. First of all, from your iOS device, you will need to open up the iOS App Store. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and now within the search box, type in DiDi and then start your search. Now from the search results, once you find the DiDi application, tap on it and you will see the Get button. Tap on the Get button and this will begin the download and installation of the DiDi application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the Open button, you can tap on it to open up the DiDi application on your device. Once the app is opened up, you can proceed with logging in to your existing account or signing up to create a new one in order to start using the DiDi app on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the DiDi application on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.